Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will go over adding jurisdiction details. With this setting, you can add jurisdictions, especially their locations. And when working on a case, the info can auto-populate to Judicial Council forms. It's a setting that will benefit our eCMS users. However, this implementation has also been added to eIMMIGRATION in case future forms ask for jurisdiction details. Let's get started. Let us go to our homepage of the Caseworker portal. The first thing we want to do is access our Admin Tools page to create the different jurisdiction locations. It is important to note that you must have administrative rights to access the Admin Tools page. Let us click on the settings icon on the top right and select Administrative Tools. Once in the Admin Tools page, locate the jurisdiction icon. We will then click on Add Jurisdiction. From here, you will enter the details of this jurisdiction, such as name, address, county, and so forth. Once adding all this info, you will click on Save at the bottom. If you would like to add more jurisdictions and have them as options at the case level, you will repeat the process of adding jurisdiction info and saving. Once you've added the different jurisdictions, we can now go back to the Caseworker portal by clicking on the settings icon and selecting Caseworker module. We are now back in the home page of the Caseworker portal. From here, you can now go into the case profile to select the jurisdiction you just implemented. You will notice a new jurisdiction area has been implemented. When clicking on the drop-down menu, you will see the selections you created in the Admin Tools page. Select one and click Save up top. And by doing so, if we go into a Judicial Council form, which is located in the Forms section, we will see the jurisdiction has auto-populated onto the form. All forms asking for jurisdiction details will now have this info. This concludes our video on adding a jurisdiction. Hit the subscribe button to be alerted when new videos come out and be informed of new features like this one. Thank you for watching.